came here for the Nagios administrator training. Rajesh has taken a very good training for last 4 days. We have been understand. I'm zero for the Nagios before I attend the training, but after getting the training from Rajesh, I understand the basics, and as of now, I know the architecture and how it works, how it does monitoring for the Linux and Windows servers, and through SNMP and through agent and agentless. So many concepts I learned. Even if I am, I'm supporting for other monitoring tool. Now I come to know more concept by getting a train from this guy, from Rajesh. I'm very happy to have this training. I'm very much happy. So I'm very sad it's getting ended now.